तुम लोग को फ्लश की आवाज आई क्या अभी?
बात बदल दिए, बात बदल दी।
What is this? चाय?
काढ़ा है।
ए बाप पता जी।
Well, we have to go viral. I don't care. Let it go. I'm just gonna talk through songs.
What are engineers even anymore?
Please just stop the background, man.
I like it.
Download किया. I have a better one.
अरे
Side में चला गया पागल.
where can I change this?
Change background.
मम्मा प्लीज फ्लश करना बंद करो यार.
Yo, what's up? Yeah. What's this?
मैंने उसको कॉल किया. He was finding his formal clothes.
For those of you watching this who don't know this, it's like we've asked Sunandan to wear formals, totally like for in good taste, like
Good taste. You.
yes. So he's going to wear formals and we are not. So this is his prank. And
Yeah.
each
And we
podcast.
told him that this podcast is gonna be super formal and all. So
And yes, it's
we
not going to be.
expect. Best of all. It's gonna be fine.
You are ये गुंडा लग रहा है. And you look like the person जो front businesses संभालता है.
I'm the Italian, he's the Jew.
Whatever that means.
No insensitive jokes in this.
Why yaar? Why?
Oh my god!
Sunandan's wearing formals.
Enjoy your whole thing.
Sunandan, you were
What
pranked.
are you wearing, Pal? Why?
You were pranked. We are not wearing formals.
ऐसा लगता है।
देख के समझ में नहीं आता. Hey man.
Oh yes, देखो यही रख.
Please, I beg you to keep this.
Like,
Why?
what the fuck is this? Read it.
Yeah, Anthony.
अरे so
It has a backstory.
Guys, I'll be right back.
It's just three guys alone now. So what are we gonna talk about today? Maybe something in
I don't know.
Neither do we. Nobody knows.
तो फिर ठीक है.
What are the movies you're talking about, Sunanda?
Yes.
Handed in.
I don't know, man. I just thought of Double Dhamal.
Double Dhamal is.
I haven't even seen it, bro.
You haven't
Good.
seen
It is legend movie. Okay, it is.
उसमें he uses his personal hoto to talk. ठीक है. उससे ज्यादा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग हो ही नहीं सकता. तो
That just Double Dhamal में वो रितेश देशमुख एक गोरिल्ला के नाक में अपनी उंगलियां डाल देता है और गोरिल्ला कुछ नहीं करता.
the best thing about
They like-
Double Dhamal is that they had such a
आया गोरिल्ला आ
horrible
गया.
costume
गोरिल्ला आ गया.
What?
nice virtual background.
ये तुम लोग को द्विज और सुनंदन तुम लोग को
Oh, my-
PTSD चाहिए क्या?
My Mac
एक
is
सेकंड तुम लोग ये देखो ये लो PTSD देखो.
Bhai, I to like DD. I to like
okay.
it.
Wow.
Let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. And no, I'm not talking about myself. Four of us are in.
Talking about Pal.
No.
What did you say? I
Okay,
didn't hear you.
well, let's talk about the second biggest elephant in the room. And no. Again, not me. It is like 4 of us are engineers. Engineers talking about films.
Yeah.
Like it's not a very
Engineer field.
What are engineers even anymore? I don't think there is a like.
I have one word for it. That is many.
Yes, there are many engineers. Yes, we have many.
Engineers are
Yeah.
engineers are many. That's the only general term you can use to describing them, because
I think we should be given. See, there are enough engineers to make a small country now. So, like, we have our own space. We have our own community and economy. We work. We have like when there are artistic engineers like us, we will do the cultural.
Yeah, like you
There are
can all the
engineers.
background
All the artistic
and
engineers
files.
Exactly. Yeah.
all the artistic engineers are with Apple and like they're making
Exactly.
iPads or something like that.
This is Apple X engineer.
if we have a country of our own as engineers, we don't need anybody to help us in any way, because engineers are literally everywhere. देखो मूवी बनानी है, चल बनाते हैं. Engineers है इतने सारे. देखो finance संभालना है, there are MBAs who are engineers. Let's do that. So you don't need anybody. Engineering,
we are
country.
Engineers.
You also, 3 of you also.
हम लोग
और
MBA
हमारा
है.
and like engineer का जो population है, it will not be decided by like birth rate and death rate. One will be कि like कितना चाहिए लोग मतलब engineering के लिए, and the दूसरा is how important people feel their need to do art is. जितना बढ़ेगा उतना कम हो जाएगा engineer का population.
Okay, so let's start
Speaking
with the
straight wisdom.
actual podcast. The
Let's go.
podcast.
Yeah.
हाँ yes, let's.
Okay.
Drum roll.
Of the podcast.
क्या?
ए ड्रम रोल तू कर, तू असली वाला करके दे द्विज.
मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ.
Oh,
अरे वाह, अरे ऐसा नाइस.
Let's start.
बैंड प्रैक्टिस याद आ गया मेरे को.
बस इसका ऑडियो ना चला गया.
He's gonna get
तेरा तू जब भी वो गया ऑडियो चला गया. वापस कर.
Stop it. Get some help.
Spiritual drum roll.
Okay.
Dude, if there were Catholic people doing this, it would be called the Popecast. Just thought of that.
Fuck.
Oh, bro.
I'm proud to have you as a friend.
That was
About to die.
It's a Vatican is a country.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's like Malad जैसा size का एक area को country बना दिया. ये क्या है?
But isn't it called Vatican City?
Yeah, but it's actually a country. It's like what? Decide. तुम सोच लो.
Vatican City.
ये क्या है?
Vatican City, which is the size of Malad, is a country. It's just oof.
Guys.
and they have a state police, which is like more what?
So this is a series called Popcast, the podcast. In here we discuss everything related to pop culture
But
and otherwise, just no political views. Just like fun, entertaining people who want to entertain. Action. Our first guest
Still
is
working there.
Mr. Sunandan Senior Sriracha Dasgupta.
Namaskar. Hello guys. I am myself. You are you.
So you
Nice
guys
to
might
meet
be wondering, how do these guys deserve to be in this podcast? The actual answer that is, they're my
We are cheap to hire.
that too. And yeah,
200 rupees per hour only. Tip आप दे सकते हो आपके
They're
ऊपर.
going to give us blowjobs after this. Yeah, that's why we're here.
अरे वो नहीं बताना हमको, सुनंदन. That is confidential.
Sorry.
200
no
rupees
homo.
decide
No
बताओ.
homo.
Sunandan, like,
Yes, bro.
give me 2 words about yourself. Because you guys are not famous. People don't know you.
just saying 2 words.
Illegal Bengali. Illegal Bengali. 2
I am.
words.
Yes. I am here on Mother Earth by kripa of parents. I am doing engineering by kripa of Majburi, and I want to do music by kripa of passion.
Sunandan is a professional voiceover artist. He has done voiceovers for like Stranger Things, Iron Man 3, Selection Day, and the list goes on.
Lost in space.
So that's the reason that I thought that it would be appropriate for him to be on this podcast. Please shut up, Yashu. And yes, also he's a fellow cinephile. Whenever I was in college, he was the only one whom I could discuss like real films with. So yes, that's why Sunandan's here, and also he's too cool. You guys will witness that over the podcast. And
I swear.
Pal, you don't deserve an introduction, but like
That's not a compliment.
Pearl deserves a conclusion to all the misery in his life.
Pearl
No
deserves a
introduction.
concussion out of everything.
I think
Because
yes,
that would be the end of all the misery, to be honest.
Pal is a music director and a music producer and a music composer's son. So, so he thinks he can do it too. But yes, also he made the background score of our last short film. So
Yeah.
he's
Thanks.
Satvik music, guys.
Very sattvic, as you can see.
I'll say hello. Some more energy.
Hello guys, I am very energy, and since I'm music producer, I'm not at all into narcotics or any sort of intoxication.
Okay, that's. Say no
He
to
says while smoking a
You
joint.
cannot say the same because he's in space.
Okay, cool. Let's be ourselves now, because I don't have any script for this video. And speak.
Same.
So you said that
Just don't interrupt when someone's speaking. That's the main rule.
I thought
So,
they
मैं
were
करूँगा.
And like raise your
Instantly, as he says that, everybody interrupts. I like it.
hand. So let's acknowledge that Sunandan's wearing formals.
Yeah. This was
Sunandan,
supposed to be.
how was
I
this?
was told I would have to.
I was.
but-
वो जानबूझ के नहीं दिखा रहा है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो छुपा रहा है कि उसने form
I उतार दी उसने जल्दी
हाँ 100%.
सब देख. को ये भी उतार दूँ.
डाल दे. इसको ही कंटेंट मिलेगा, Twitch को ही कंटेंट मिलेगा.
Which को content
I don't have
नहीं
so
मिलेगा,
many
उसका channel
balls.
ban हो जाएगा.
Twitch.
Yes.
तूने बोला डिस्क्रिप्शन में कि हमें हमारे गिल्टी प्लेजर्स प्रेजेंट करने
Hmm.
and we have to defend them.
Yes.
Correct? But if I am saying that I'm guilty of it, why do I defend it? Please explain.
So yes, you have to explain why
रुक गए, मेरा internet
about it.
रुक गया, yes.
You have to explain why other people should also be with you in that pleasure.
Such a genius, this guy is.
Like, this is why I'm here.
Okay. Yes. So you have to explain why you're guilty about it. Why is that film is not acceptable amongst others, and you have to explain what's the pleasure part. What do you like? So that's defending in a sense.
But
Okay?
what if we four of us have the same guilty pleasures?
That's obviously going to happen.
We'll just agree.
Yeah, we'll just agree.
And we'll end
but
the
then
podcast.
but then we'll discuss like scenes and shit. Okay.
Yes. एकदम
Is it clear?
Brainiac.
Yes.
Brainiac 2020 Twitch को करनी. Let's go. I have no movies to share, but I'll just start off with. So we're going off with just guilty pleasures or like some actual good movies also, because
We'll see
actual-
with the
it's just
Yeah.
This
Some
podcast is eventually going to lead to that only. So yeah.
some actual good movies would also work, because I also have a few movies like Guy Ritchie films who are not like very critically acclaimed but are good films.
Okay, so this movie that I'm going to say, I'm not particularly guilty about it. It's just like people shit on me for watching this movie.
Wait,
And-
disclaimer, Pearl watches only, like exclusively watches South Indian movies. So we will not know any of the movies we're going to talk about.
You don't know Tismar Khan.
That's fine. He'll have a lot of things to
Recent
explain.
Tismar Khan.
It's Tismar Khan.
So my first movie is Tismar Khan.
And my
I like that movie, and I seriously don't know why people don't like that movie. I
it's
mean,
guilty pleasure. One of
Tismar Khan deserves to be in this thing. Farah Khan ki sari films, like even Happy New Year or like other Shah Rukh films with her.
Om Shanti Om was
Om Shanti Om was great.
Om Shanti Om.
Yes.
Main Hoon Na Bhi was pretty good till like to an extent. Like I would not consider it as a guilty pleasure. Main Hoon Na.
Main Hoon Na?
It is just pleasure.
It is just-
Although I have not seen it, so
Yeah.
It's like borderline guilty pleasure होता है ना, like just.
Get it.
So okay, that was a good film. Like why Teesmar Khan? What do you enjoy most about that film?
ये तीसमार खान का ना प्लॉट बहुत अमेजिंग है, पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ. चलती ट्रेन से पता नहीं कितने 1000 किलो का तुम सोना चोरी कर रहे हो with the help of a village and the village doesn't know.
Yeah, that's like the first 15 minutes of Gangnam Wasipur part.
Yep. But the village knows.
The village doesn't know ना, उनको तो पता ही नहीं he's doing it in the name of Sultana Daku.
Okay.
So.
But my favorite part about Teesmar Khan is that headless ghost in the forest.
Yeah.
Bin Mundi.
And it's yes, Bin Khopdi ka bhoot
like that.
or whatever.
Sir Nicholas.
The nearly headless Nick. But this guy is completely headless.
Okay, Sir Nicholas.
I will be honest about Teesmar Khan. I have started watching it about 4 or 5 times. I have never finished it. Because like I start watching it and then it just becomes like it's just a haze of just dialogue and just overacting, and then I'm just like
just a little bit of Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
And just a bit of
he's nice though. Akshay Kumar can do whatever he wants in life. I will support even if he becomes
Don't speak
like a very famous porn star. I would just totally support him.
What? Come again?
Even if he becomes like a world famous porn star, I would totally support him because he deserves all the credit he gets.
अभी किसकी बारी? इंकी पिंकी पोंकी करे क्या?
नहीं इंकी पिंकी पोंकी नहीं करती.
डेमोक्रेसी कैसे हुआ फिर? तू ही डिसाइड कर रहा है.
तो नहीं है ना डेमोक्रेसी.
Let's do इंकी पिंकी पोंकी.
कौन कर रहा है? मैं करूं प्लीज.
Let's do stone paper scissors. Between I and Sunandan will do. Yashu and Sunandan will do.
Okay.
Sunandan, come on.
Warriors.
Stone, paper,
scissors.
Fuck. This has a lag.
Yeah, मेरे को 3 ms का lag आ रहा है.
बोल रहा हूँ इंकी पिंकी पोंकी करता हूँ मैं, सबसे फेयर रहेगा वो.
करो.
ठीक है कर ले यार.
Use a finger.
इंकी पिंकी पोंकी. Pinky Ponky. Yashovardhan goes next.
Yashovardhan goes next. Come on.
I like it.
Bhul Bhulaiya, but I think it's kind of on the way of guilty pleasure. मतलब सबके लिए. जैसे what I meant to say, most of the people मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? What am I saying?
He's not used to being in front of the camera.
No, I forgot. It's okay.
It's the.
I'll defend Bhul Bhulaiya on his behalf.
No, I was. Yeah, you go. Then I'll say. मेरे कुछ और चीज बोलने.
Bhul Bhulaiya is a really nice picture. Like compared to other Priyadarshan films, Bhul Bhulaiya is the only one which like logical backing to it, logical backing to the story, I guess. Like that happens, and that's the story of I guess Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo also. So like you can't like bash Bhul Bhulaiya for not being a realistic script.
Yeah.
Because it is.
But I don't know why Bhul Bhulaiya would be considered as a guilty pleasure at all.
I think Bhul Bhulaiya is a great movie and it should be regarded as
that's what I was trying to say.
It had a cultural impact because after that everybody just looked at Bengalis and they just started saying Ami je tomar and tumi je amar, and like that's why it deserves some respect for that. And then every Bengali girl just became Manjulika.
Yeah, that's what Bhul Bhulaiya did to Bengali.
Yeah,
that's correct.
Then that's Bhul Bhulaiya's contribution.
Priyadarshan was not so Priya to you guys.
I know. But I love that movie.
But Bhul Bhulaiya
goes next.
Yeah, that is.
Bhul Bhulaiya is very stupidly funny.
Oh man, Bhul Bhulaiya is actually funny, man. I wouldn't.
It's funny.
And the best thing I
it
like
is
about
not Andhadhun funny, but it is funny.
Like क्या वॉइस ओवर किया है उसमें, अक्षय कुमार कुछ और ही डायलॉग बोल रहा है या सुनाई कुछ और ही दे रहा है और क्या मजा आ रहा है। लव दैट।
उसने वो ऐसे रॉड के इधर से ऐसे बोला ना, जो उड़ा
उसमें ऐसा लग रहा है
वो बस ऐसे। अरे 30 मार खान में वो सीन था ना, बैंक रॉबरी वाला, जिसमें वो गाउडी फिरंगी को ऐसे उठा लेते हैं, उसको गम चबवाते हैं। सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद अक्षय कुमार। रिवर्स कार्ड खेल लिया गया था अक्षय कुमार।
पूरे को च्युइंगम डाल देते कि तू अब अंग्रेज बन गया।
अनकल्चर्ड, तू खुद को पॉप कल्चर का बेताज बादशाह बोलता है ना, अनकल्चर्ड है तू। 30 मार खान नहीं देखी तूने?
30 मार खान देखी है मैंने। How can you say that I've seen it?
How do you not remember this?
Yeah,
because that was the last time I saw it in theaters when it came out.
Wasn't it on the plane?
No,
not that one. This was the bank robbery wala scene.
It was in the plane in the end also. So they were the two twins, you remember?
Yes.
Raghu Raji.
Sorry, brother.
So this is why like 30 Mar Khan does qualify as a guilty pleasure.
Yeah.
So why were you going to say Bhool Bhulaiya?
Yeah, why Bhool Bhulaiya, dude?
I agree. I was thinking I'm not Bhool Bhulaiya is, I don't know, I just feel it's just a guilty pleasure.
It's like Mehuna, it's like a borderline guilty pleasure.
Yeah, it's like on the borderline. It's like everyone likes it, so अब तो guilty pleasure क्या है?
हाँ वही, it's a guilty pleasure everyone likes.
Yeah, but like the pseudo.
But then it's like it's not a guilty pleasure then. It's just like a
stupid pleasure.
Like why a good film like Vertigo, made in 1965, gets recognition as a really good film when we do it in a funny way, and then it's not up to the critical acclaim Vertigo was.
I feel like it's just because it was a Priyadarshan movie.
No, I think it's because. See, I think it's because like Indian films, at least till that time. कब आई थी भूल भुलैया? 2010, around 2010. Yeah, so 2007. 2007. So, in my opinion, like Bollywood movies had a stereotype because it was just like dancing. एक हीरो हीरोइन को बचाता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. Bollywood movies और जो थी भी, which were not really Bollywood, which were just which were actually good cinema, art films. See, that's the problem. We call good films art films because वो theater में नहीं चलती है. That's the only problem we have.
Yes.
But now because of some creators, some artists, मतलब वो आ रही है अभी अंधाधुन. अंधाधुन is a nice film. उसको acclaim मिला. Gully Boy is a nice film. उसको acclaim मिला. But that's the thing. Up till that point of time, in my opinion, the world looked at us as like cringe content makers.
Yeah,
I feel like Bollywood was in that time just a genre in its own, because like you always had, it was a set like precedent, like okay, there's going to be flashy songs, there's going to be lots of
but like
body costumes.
There have always been good
humor.
Films. And what I feel like Anand was a super duper hit because like stars like Amitabh Bachchan started doing good films. Like even Dev Anand for that matter has made amazing films with Vijay Anand, his brother. And so good films have always been made and have been recognized also. So like once a year we have an Andhadhun, we have a Gully Boy, but most of the time we don't. And these are like the few films which come up. So yesterday I was watching Nobleman, and it's a good film. It has Kunal Kapoor in it. And that film did not work. I checked its IMDb rating, it was 5.8, which is ridiculous because I saw the film and I really liked it. So I don't see the point why like films like these being launched on streaming platforms too are not getting the recognition they deserve to get. Like for example, a film like Masan would go to the Cannes Film Festival and get a standing ovation. Then the news will come to India. Then the film will stream on Netflix. Because no one gave a shit when it was in cinemas. Then the movie on Netflix, then everyone watches that film and then everyone loves it. So you should have appreciated when it was in cinemas, na?
Same thing happened. The same thing happened with Gangs of Wasseypur.
Yes, Gangs of Wasseypur is Anurag sir's like biggest grossing movie of all time.
Yeah,
and that is sad because that film is made like around 20 to 30 crores, like both the films together, and still they were in profit. So like the cost it took for making Gangs of Wasseypur and the profit was also like it stopped at 30 to 40 crores. So then also they were in profit. So imagine how low budget film that was, even having stars like Manoj sir and all. So good films can be made with zero budget also. You just need a phone and you can make great films. Yeah. It's like
Sairat का budget कितना कम था? Sairat का budget कितना कम था? Sairat ने कितना कमाया?
Sairat ने कितना कमाया? और even if we do talk about like people getting favors in the industry, why shouldn't they, man? Like, Pal, for example, your dad is the music composer and you're into music, so obviously he would be like a little bit lenient towards you choosing it as a career option. You get my point?
Yes.
And he will always support you because he knows like you have his back. He has your back.
Yeah. Yes. Got your भावनाएं convey हो गई.
हाँ. So it will always be there, but it's like if nepotism really did work, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan would have been the greatest star after Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
True.
Also, Abhishek Bachchan is one of the few star kids who were actually good.
Yeah.
Who had good films over time, who like were Guru good actors. Guru, Marmarziya.
Yeah.
They were like good films. And the audience was not mature, so he got rejected. And like other star kids.
See, that's the thing with Bollywood. Bollywood में ना जो Bollywood का influential period था ना, like the maximum influential period, वहाँ पे क्या आया? वहाँ पे वो ही आया कि मतलब सिर्फ वो बॉडी वाले एक्टर्स अच्छे होते हैं, जो एक्शन अच्छा कर पाते हैं वो अच्छे होते हैं. Like if a person is doing overacting, but that guy is doing something that the audience likes, तो audience उसको ना बहुत praise करेगा, like उसको ही सारे awards मिलेंगे. But when someone does actual good stuff, like acting, you would actually say is good, उसको नहीं मिलता है क्योंकि वो audience को पसंद नहीं आया. कि audience को आदत क्या है? Audience को आदत है audience को flashy dance scenes की आदत है.
People were saying when Mr. Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, after we were all devastated, but people were like saying कि let's boycott Bollywood. Arey, don't boycott Bollywood. Just choose better films to watch. So, firstly, you're paying to see the film. You should definitely think of it as an investment. You should get joy after it. And like when a film like Joker comes out and a film like War comes out, and people still invest their money in movies like War. War has 2 star kids in it as poster boys. Obviously that film is working, and that is why the star kid culture is successful because of us as audiences. Yeah. It's not like you can blame it on one.
To be honest,
yes.
To be honest, I don't think it's as movies that work because I don't think they work because there are star kids in it. Because like it might have been that way before, but nowadays people are just looking for a thrill. People don't look at movies like, as much as it pains me to say this, they look at movies as, okay, I'm going to go there, I'm going to sit there for 2.5 hours, I'm going to enjoy myself, and I'm going to come back.
Yeah.
Not everybody goes to watch a movie with the intent of actually learning something or
getting the cinema.
Looking at something, like understanding something different, looking at a new point of view. They just look at it as, okay, I'm going to enjoy myself. Like it's the weekend, I have nothing to do. I'll go with my wife and my kids. I'm going to watch a movie and come back and then back to work tomorrow. And I think that's why people tend to go for big flashy films, because they like, okay, this is going to be a bigger impact. It's going to be more thrilling or whatever. And that's why
now what you said,
movies which have a more subtle plot line or a subtler issue, they don't work as often as other films.
So see what Sunandan just said, that really makes sense, because like the example he gave was basically a middle class man's regular life. मतलब वो सिर्फ वीकेंड पे अपने फैमिली के साथ जाता है एंजॉय करने.
That is the majority.
And he will watch a big flashy film because that's the only time he can like escape and think of something other than his own life.
Yeah, that is the thing.
And that's the only kind of film that's gonna have everything for everybody in the family.
Exactly.
There's gonna be
From now.
action stuff for the guy. There's gonna be romantic
Just
stuff
stop
for
thinking and
the.
they're gonna be fed. Spoon fed. लोगों को दिमाग लगाने की आदत बंद हो गई है. आपकी सोचने का what's the hidden meaning or what's the actual meaning of it. They just want things to be served to them. Like spoon feeding. मिल गया, मजा आ गया, देख ली, 2 घंटे हो गए, let's go back. They don't stop and take time to appreciate the films.
Yes.
That is the.
And like guy like Varun Dhawan would do like Jodha 2s and other Badrinath Ki Dulhaniya, Hamki Sharma Ki Dulhaniya, films like these. But he would still do an October and a Badlapur.
Yeah.
And look at the box offices of those films. They're not good. Like when Sriram Raghavan collaborated with Varun Dhawan, it was visible in Varun Dhawan's skill as an actor. But he was being directed by a very good person. They made a good film. Badlapur is a good film. But it did not work.
Yeah.
And
It's not what the masses want.
exactly.
Until and unless there's something not flashy, as Sunandan said, one thing that everyone can relate to. These movies are not relatable to everyone. They're just like जो चीजें relatable होती हैं वो लोग आजकल prefer करते हैं.
Every one of those people who were defending like good films of India, they all have seen those films. Like I saw Gangs of Wasseypur in theater, which is a big achievement because I was in the 6th grade. So yes, and so I did not watch it on YouTube like other people did. So when you're watching a film on Netflix or YouTube or someplace like, and let it not be its first, let it not be its premiere. Let it be its second release after being released in theaters. So, and if you don't support that film in theaters, like Mukkabaz was a UP-based Anurag Kashyap film, and it had like 4 screens all over UP, which is a very sad number. It's very upsetting.
Yeah, it's
And that was an amazing film, like very raw UP film, very legit UP film. Not like fake accents or people trying to be extra mean to each other, but it was a good UP film about a boxer. So it was a low budget Raging Bull. So
that is also the thing, the promoting and the promotion thing of the movies is also. So Son Chiraiya was not promoted anywhere. I didn't see single poster or something of that.
that is a very good topic.
Well, that's on the producers.
And the people like some movie like that was, what was it? Total Dhamal? Double Dhamal?
Total. The last one was
Total Dhamal.
Total Dhamal.
Yeah, and
last one.
like promoting everywhere, like Total Dhamal is everywhere, literally everywhere. So people see, and then they also like, okay, it's gonna be funny. It has this cast. See the cast also.
Everyone was defending like Chichore. Chichore came out in 2019, right?
Yeah.
Same year.
Yeah, September.
Same year, Sushant's second film also came out, which was Son Chiriya. And I can understand, like, थोड़ा सा भी अगर मेरे को एक्टिंग की नॉलेज है तो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि सुशांत ने अपना ज्यादा हिस्सा और अपने आप को ज्यादा डेडिकेट किया होगा टुवर्ड्स दैट रोल व्हाट ही प्लेड इन सोन चिड़िया. So he actually wanted you to see, not go and see Chichore, but go to see a Son Chiriya or a Detective Byomkesh Bakshi. He wanted you to see that. Because that was a very giving character.
Personal film to him.
Yeah. Personal film to him.
Luckily, I saw Detective Byomkesh Bakshi in theaters, and man, dude, what a movie! I swear to God.
Exactly.
Dude,
and
that movie, like I saw that movie and I was like, इसका second part तो आना चाहिए. But second part आने से पहले ही, and this is sad state of affairs. And like I don't know why, but I started noticing that after Sushant did what he did, there have been multiple cases of recognizable figures doing the same thing, and that's pretty scary, and that's something I would really not look forward to, because there are people, there are people who have the potential to do good. They can reach the levels of Rajkumar Rao, Sushant Singh Rajput. They can reach their levels, but Like if they get demotivated now and they think that this is the end, there's nothing more than I that's just sad. See, whatever the reason may be, like even if it's a suicide, whether it's not, this should not be affecting people at all, to be really honest, because that's just not how it should work.
Okay, that was a bold statement. Yes, but even if people are affected, you don't have to like. Why? You let him down multiple times too. It's not Bollywood's blame that it has to make money. Because at the end of the day, it's an industry. It's called the film industry.
Correct.
What they have to do is make money. They don't care about sentiments. They should, but they don't.
Correct.
No one does. So, and yes, you can be a Rajkumar Rao. You can be a Sushant Singh Rajput. You can be a Ayushmann Khurrana, or you can be a Ranveer Singh too. And bashing Gully Boy does not make any sense at all, because that is a genuinely good film. And you can't. The music is so nicely done. Ranveer is perfect in the film.
Every award that Gully Boy got was well deserved.
I totally stand by that.
The editing, the
cinematography,
cinematography, everything. Jai Oza is super fine.
So, and let's get back to guilty pleasures. We've talked enough about it.
Which goes next? I have changed this democracy to a dictatorship.
A dictator is on a beach.
I go with Snatch by Guy Ritchie.
I was seeing that today.
Snatch is a very good film. So, Naran, you've seen it, na? It's the Brad Pitt film.
I love Snatch. It's like one of my top 10 movies. I love Guy Ritchie.
I was seeing Snatch today.
Snatch is so good. I mean,
I haven't seen it. Sorry, guys.
It's like this hilarious like caper which just ends up towards one big finale, and it's hilarious. I love it.
Snatch is a very good film.
But I saw this 10 minutes of it. I'm like hooked on. It's सारे characters and it's like total fun movie.
Exactly. It's super fun.
Brad Pitt's accent is so funny. He plays the gypsy character. He's so funny. Yashu does a very good Tom Hardy impression.
I don't. I'll find.
Brad Pitt's accent was so like, it wasn't like technically speaking it wasn't good, but it was bad in the sense that it made it good because you couldn't understand a word of what he was saying. And that's
we are having the same thing right now.
कुछ किसी को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. हाँ. See exactly what पूछ रहे हैं. नहीं समझ आ रहा है ना उसको.
नहीं it's cool. I got you.
क्या आँखें नहीं खुल रही?
I don't have eyes.
कितनी आगे है यार बिल्ली. छोटी.
बिल्ली की आँखें बड़ी होती है.
तो Snatch.
गलत example.
We haven't seen, so we are discussing something else.
Snatch, but लेकिन तुम लोगों को देखनी पड़ेगी. Snatch is a really good film. Also, yes, it's.
Why are you guilty about it?
I don't know.
Snatch didn't make good money, and Snatch was not a very popular film.
We don't know.
Whenever someone asks me what's my favorite film, I say The Godfather and not Snatch. That is why it's a guilty pleasure.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah,
it has a 8.3 IMDb.
Yes.
It made 8.36 crore USD.
It's like $80 million.
800.
On a budget of what?
Oh yeah.
I don't think it would cost me. Like Brad Pitt would have cost the more, less.
And
well, he wasn't very this thing then, no?
What? Prominent?
He wasn't as big of a star to charge as like much
like
you
them.
would expect him to do today. Yeah, it was 2000, no?
60 lakhs GBP. I don't know how to convert that.
Like,
this is why we are engineers.
Yes.
60 lakh Great Britain pound और $80 million का उसने ये किया.
You know what GBP is?
Great Britain pound ना?
Look at that. Such a.
GBP is Great Britain pound. I could be wrong. I don't know.
ये test है.
I don't know.
Yes. Das Gupta has gone. GBP is Great Britain pound.
Yeah, we agree.
60 lakh.
You're up next.
No, wait. It's 60 lakh Great Britain pound. मतलब 6 million Great Britain pound.
Yes.
That's that's good amount of profit.
But people don't talk about Snatch that often. Like when they're listing out good names, who mentions Snatch? Who mentions The Big Lebowski? No one does. People should like stop. It's not like only a serious film would be a good film. A comedy film can be the greatest film ever. Also.
Hey, don't. That's mine. That's mine. That's my guilty.
Okay, go ahead. You're this.
Okay, let's talk about
Dhamal, the entire Dhamal series, excluding Total Dhamal, because that's just a sham. Dhamal and Double Dhamal, these two movies are just it's funny in the sense that it's so stupid that it makes me laugh every time. Even though I've seen it enough times to know all the jokes, I still laugh.
My favorite joke. My favorite joke is आधी बोल रहा था गाड़ी नहीं बोल सकता.
My favorite is slowly बड़ा हो रहा है, बड़ा हो रहा है, पास आ रहा है.
But stop talking about Dhamal. It's like perfectly fine in every 5 minutes you get a gag. 5 minutes is too much. In every 2 minutes you get a gag.
Ayyar, Ramu Gopal Ayyar.
Oh, that's it.
That's the song.
Goa ETC. अरे नहीं दबाना था.
अरे नहीं दबाना था.
लाल बटन होगा. हाँ दबा दिया. नहीं दबाना था.
आपका इंजन चालू है. अच्छा चालू है. अरे चालू कंपनी का है, कभी भी बिगड़ सकता है.
सब मेरी बातें सुनिए. स्टीयरिंग छोड़ के हाथ जोड़िए और भगवान से प्रार्थना कीजिए. नहीं हे भगवान हमें शक्ति देना. Where's Pal looking? वो आ रहा है.
Food.
Okay, food. I thought he was pointing at.
You're going to eat during the podcast.
Yes.
Well, this is not done.
This is very unprofessional. You're only allowed.
तो यहाँ पे तो सब इतना प्रोफेशनल हो रहा है, इतना मतलब सब लोग एकदम अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं. मैं बीच में
ऐसा शर्ट पहन के आया भाई.
Space में ऐसा.
It's like Sunandan's representing the film Gravity.
Yeah.
Yes,
Which
guys.
is a great movie. I love that movie. I haven't seen it in so long.
Gravity.
You remember that fact that Mangalyaan was built on like half the budget of that film?
Yeah.
It was such a hit on WhatsApp.
So good.
Everyone used to send me that every
Where's
day.
Netflix?
Sticking it to 2 minutes.
There's this one film I saw. It has Natalie Portman. I forgot the name. Annihilation or something.
Annihilation, yeah, Annihilation.
I love that movie.
I haven't seen it.
It was weird, but then like because it has no point to it, but I still really liked it.
Like Pulp Fiction.
I will not talk. Yeah.
What's the point
Exactly.
of that? I love that.
Pulp Fiction. Sunandan is also a Quentin Tarantino fan. Sunandan and I are one of the few people who enjoyed Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Yeah. People found it long. How do you find a movie long?
See, as long as I bet those people who found that movie long are the ones who did not understand it because they weren't interested in it.
Yeah.
That's the only time you find something longer than usual or like odd, when you're not immersed in it.
Even if you don't find it interesting, that movie has Margot Robbie in it.
Yeah.
And it has Brad Pitt in it.
Brad Pitt is hotter than Margot Robbie.
I know exactly.
He's gonna come out of the closet.
Go watch it for the eye candy.
Yeah.
You don't need plot.
That scene on the ranch, like the entire point of that scene is that Brad Pitt is very cool.
Exactly.
And they have an entire sequence for it in the film. He goes up to the ranch, he meets a blind person, and then he kills them. He shoots some people. He does something, and that is just to prove the point that he's a very cool guy. Only Quentin Tarantino can do that.
Yep.
And if people,
Guys, I have one guilty pleasure I would like to tell.
I think Brad Pitt has made a career out of being cool in movies.
Yeah.
Like you look at Fight Club, look at the Ocean's trilogy, you look at Once Upon a Time in Hollywood.
Fight Club.
Yeah, I said Fight Club. Great.
Pulse. Guilty pleasure.
Go ahead.
Yeah, sorry.
Do you guys remember the movie Besharam?
Oh yeah,
not seen it.
I have seen it.
Besharam is Ranbir Kapoor.
Yup.
Ranbir
Ah,
Kapoor.
He's a car or something of them. Red Mercedes, yeah.
Yeah. Yes. He's the car thief.
Is the song as a sub?
That movie.
Is that one?
What?
I don't know.
Which one?
Dikhade Ban Besharam.
Yes. It's that movie.
I might have seen that.
अरे who was
That
that? Although I don't remember this movie that much, but plot याद है. इसमें वो है यार, जावेद जाफरी.
Defend Besharam.
Javed Jafri is the bad guy in this.
Yeah.
Like, don't you
See, I
think
don't really.
Javed Jafri is as cool as Jim Carrey?
He is the
I
Jim
would
Carrey
say-
of Bollywood.
Yes, correct. I would say he's a slightly less prominent Jim Carrey.
Yeah.
Like, oh,
A rip-off. First copy.
Like Jajantaram Mamatram
Oh.
correct.
is like one of the best things of my childhood.
Chamunda used to scare me, man.
Fucking चामुंडा है यार. मतलब जो उस मूवी
the profanity. Parents are going to see this.
Jajantaram Mamantaram is also my favorite movie to give in charades. Because it's
Also, we
But-
have
his name.
charade champos.
Oh yeah.
We are going to host a
I-
tournament in college
We should do a charades tournament, man.
on Zoom.
Online charades tournament. Yeah. Sub apna make memes or something.
Yes, let's do it. For our channel only, we'll do it.
We'll
We'll invite everyone from MBSTMA, our group. Magmemes will invite,
Yes.
and we'll play charades.
2 guys alone with 16 other people. Yes.
69 other people. Yeah. Good thing.
Yeah,
Team बना के
Nice.
Okay,
Big
Game बनाते ही
snitch कर रहा है.
defend Besharam.
Besharam, I really can't defend it, man. It's not defendable.
Bad movie, pal.
It's a bad movie, but I like it. I can't help it. I'm sorry.
Why do you think
Like-
it should be?
Ranbir
See,
Kapoor.
it's funny. I have to say it's funny.
It's.
Like it has that stupid funny element to it.
I don't remember exactly, but I remember cringe. Little bit. He's like all.
See,
Chichora.
Ranbir Kapoor is actually a good comic actor. He's
Yeah.
a good comic actor, but
You see that?
unfortunately the movies, like the comic movies he's done are, I don't know one good comic movie Ranbir Kapoor has done
Ajab Prem Ji Gajab.
Ajab
except
Prem-
of
I
Ajab
think
Prem.
he's
Ajab Prem
so-
Ki
I think
Ajab Prem.
Rocket
That was-
Singh.
Poor script.
Rocket Singh. अरे
Face
Huh?
of the year.
Rocket Singh was great. I really.
I
liked
haven't
it.
seen that movie. I haven't seen that movie.
Wake Up Sid was okay. I haven't
Wake
seen
Up
it.
State is a good film. Like, these are the good films Ranbir
I
Kapoor
like
has
Ajab
done.
Prem Ki
Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani
My guilty pleasure.
and
I
Rockstar.
wouldn't consider it as a guilty pleasure, but I like it.
It's prominent or what?
Sanju. These are the good films like he has done. Sanju was a good.
Which are the bad films he's done?
Sanju is a good film. Yeah.
I want to see Bombay Velvet.
सारी तो मूवी गिना दी तूने.
I
सारी मूवी तो गिना दी.
Savaria was a bad film.
Agreed.
enjoyed Bombay Velvet. It's not that bad.
I haven't seen it. Okay, I have to see it.
I haven't seen it either.
I vaguely remember watching it, and I remember not being displeased by it. I was like, it's nice.
Yeah, it's an okay film. It does not need to be bashed.
Yeah,
Corona.
bashed.
Gunde is a guilty pleasure if someone likes it, but I don't.
Gunde was
I haven't-
fun. I liked
Luckily,
Gunde. More
I
so
haven't
because
seen
I
it.
have dubbed in it.
What?
Yes.
You dubbed in
They
Gunde?
did, yeah, because they did it in Bengali, right? Because it was based in that area.
Who did you play?
They did.
Ranveer Singh.
As a kid.
Yes.
छोटा वाला.
No, guys, listen to this. He was Raju in Chota Bheem for like 3 or 4 years.
What?
Yes. In English.
Cast.
In English.
Yes.
And
हमारे साथ बहुत बड़े लोग हैं.
he was the mouth breather in Hindi.
In
Or
season
maybe-
1 of Stranger Things, yes. Stranger Things, yes.
He's so many iconic characters. He's Ashu and My Friend Ganesha.
Oh no, for real?
हाँ.
देख रहा
वही
Subtle flex.
Iron Man 3 में भी तो था. Iron Man 3 में भी तो था.
Iron Man में भी.
Iron Man 3 में.
यार ऐसा प्रमोट मत करो.
And
कॉन्शियस हो रहा हूँ मैं.
I remember I asked you once, like, when you worked for Netflix, कि तेरे को Netflix ने free subscription दिया, and you were like, नहीं, उन्होंने 1 लाख रुपए दिए, मैंने ले लिया उससे. That was funny.
I like this. Very nice.
Nice stuff.
Nice.
और बताओ.
Next.
I have another guilty pleasure movie. National Treasure.
Oh, Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas Cage.
I haven't seen that film.
I love Journey to the Center of the Earth. No, Journey to the Mysterious Island. Both.
Journey
Mysterious
to
Island
the
is
Mysterious
nice.
Island.
Yeah, Journey to.
That was a really, nice wordplay they did there.
Every person's
But like,
is a film called Home Alone.
No, that's not a guilty pleasure.
that's not a guilty pleasure. Home Alone is great.
So, listen, if you like saw it for the first time right now, would you find it as good as you did when you were a kid?
Yes.
Yes.
100%.
Every moment.
Those guys getting their asses kicked by a random kid is hilarious.
It's just very satisfying to watch. I don't know why, but it's very satisfying to watch.
Exactly.
Someone get hurt like that is very satisfying to watch.
Okay.
Yeah, other people falling is always funny.
Will Kala Kandi be considered as a guilty pleasure?
I appreciate it.
No, it is a really good film.
Yeah, Kala Kandi is it should deserve.
Delhi Valley?
It deserves.
Delhi Valley.
No, dude, these are nice films, man.
These are good films. I love Delhi Valley.
There's this film called Saath Chakke. Has anyone seen it?
What?
इसमें है कौन?
Saath Chakke has Manoj Bajpayee, Anu Kapoor.
Yeah. Oh damn, that movie is my
Vijay Raj and.
ये कोई नई मूवी है क्या?
नहीं.
ये पुरानी.
2007 के पहले.
Very good. Anupam Kher, KK Menon.
Too damn funny man. Kali.
Not seen it.
Pichi.
You know which is a guilty pleasure? You know which movie is a guilty pleasure?
Which?
Bheja Fry.
Hey, Bheja Fry is not a guilty pleasure. It's hilarious.
Anyone has seen Ghosla ka Ghosla?
Ghosla is also good.
I have seen that movie, but I don't remember it.
I remember it.
I've seen that movie, but it's my.
Hey, even Houseful, yaar. Houseful is also a guilty pleasure.
Houseful, no, sorry. Houseful 1 and 2. 1 is not a guilty pleasure at all. 2 for me is a borderline, like all. Yes, it is. It qualifies as a guilty pleasure, and 3 is just
like
bad. I
don't
like it.
I like 2 better.
And we will not talk about 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
4.
And I've not seen.
Oh, Houseful 4 exists.
Yeah, the one where he's become bald and stuff. Yeah.
Yes,
Golmaal is not a guilty pleasure.
Golmaal is actually a nice series. Golmaal 4 भी is Golmaal. What?
Chennai Express is a guilty pleasure.
It's yours because it's
I like Chennai Express, dude.
इसको सारी पसंद है.
It is actually. I would consider it as a guilty pleasure because it's very cringy.
All the best.
Sunandan said something.
I've not seen that.
All the best is guilty pleasure, 100%. 10 on 10 guilty pleasure.
Like Dhondu,
Dhondu, but just chill.
That was.
Guys, who's seen Dhol?
Yeah.
ढोल में कितने तो पैसे रहते ना. एक ढोलक में कितने तो पैसे रहते ना.
Yeah. बहुत सही है.
क्या movie
That scene where Rajpal Yadav falls onto like some broken glass or something is just hilarious.
Devil man.
Rajpal Yadav is my spirit animal. Mr. Rajpal Yadav ji is my spirit animal.
Yeah.
My spirit.
I have another guilty pleasure which is like not really a pleasure anymore. It's just a pain. Like, have you guys seen Khichdi the movie?
Yes.
Remember it.
Guilty pleasure. 10 on 10 guilty pleasure. I agree.
It's become a guilty pain because like I can't. I'm amazed at how somebody sat down and managed to write that. Somebody actually thought of those dialogues of those characters, and it's just.
Order wala dialogue is just so amazing, yaar.
I don't remember it.
Somebody who says like a line like "Kya hua? What is?" is
Guys,
that
क्या
art.
हुआ? What is?
guys,
That is
Malamal.
art.
No, let's talk about.
Hey, that's my favorite film of all time. Okay, that's my
Malamal
favorite
Lady.
Bollywood film of all time.
Yeah.
Yes,
That was a very
I
good
love that
movie.
movie.
I love that
I love
movie.
that movie.
Let's
वो
talk.
किसी और को ही मार देते यार पैसे लेने के लिए fuck वो लड़का मर गया कोई और उसका नाम नहीं
Let's talk about Priyadarshan films one by one. Let's get Hera Fairy out.
हाँ चलो चलो. Okay, हेरा फेरी तो classic.
हेरा फेरी इज ऑल टाइम क्लासिक और कितना भी आप बन लो कि हम आर्ट फिल्म देखते हैं या कुछ भी देखते हैं
या आई तो
यू
लव
हैव टू लव हेरा फेरी
हेरा फेरी फिर हेरा फेरी वो तो
हाउ कैन यू नॉट
हेरा फेरी as well.
तो हेरा फेरी मतलब म्यूजिक देख लो कितना अच्छा है कितना दिखता ना दिखता
तू मेरी पपप्पो
मैं तेरा
मैं लड़की पपप्पो
बताए
लड़का
Well said to
पपप्पो
me and I was like started again.
तू मेरी this guy has done two Priyadarshan Hangama
No.
Hangama is also great.
Hangama
I've
is
seen
a
it.
very good movie Hangama ने देखी यार
Yeah, it's hilarious.
भागम
हंगामा का प्लॉट क्या है?
भाग
Bhagam
हंगामा का plot क्या है?
I love
भागम भाग दे दनादन
Dedanathan.
Dedanathan was a nice
and,
movie.
Have you guys seen
You
Billu?
and I together with each
चुप
other
चुप के also यार
अरे तुमने बिल्लू देखी है बिल्लू बार्बर?
बिल्लू आ रहा है
बिल्लू बार्बर उसका वो कौन सा गाना है शाहरुख खान वाला यार अरे यार
अरे
ये गाने का नाम
अरे हाँ.
हरजानी
नहीं.
The one with Deepika Padukone.
मेरा
So,
यार
yes love mera hit it
Love
yes
Mera Hit It.
that song is
Neeraj
just
Sridhar also great singer.
Sorry, what? Who?
Neeraj Sridhar.
नीरज श्रीधर चोर बाजारी दोनों की can we talk about good films
Yes, we
Yeah.
can talk about this.
लाल कप्तान यार
I'll shoot the intro later.
Yeah.
We'll dive
All
into it.
films I have not seen.
लाल कप्तान नहीं देखी तू अभी तक
वो लाल कप्तान
नहीं. Is it on net? Where is it? Where can
लाल
I watch it?
Prime Video
लाल कप्तान needs more recognition
Lal Kaptan is a really, it's the most beautiful film of
and
last
one
year.
thing more about Lal Kaptan, they didn't spend a penny on promotion. It's like there's no promotion at all. Saif told in some interview.
रिलीज भी नहीं हुई थी ना वो रिलीज भी नहीं हुई थी ना
नहीं
लेकिन
release.
थिएटर्स
got released. लेकिन बहुत सारे हमको पता नहीं चला आगे चलेगी. We saw it on Prime.
I saw it on Prime too
It's there on Prime.
But
dude the movie is just so amazing ऊपर से
Yeah.
like one actor I really like in Bollywood
Yeah.
is Deepak Dobriyal is just too amazing
Too good.
Tanu's Manu Returns
Oh, I have another guilty
who is
pleasure.
also in pictures.
Student of the year.
Student of the year.
कौन सा वाला वो स्पेसिफाई कर
पहला वाला.
पहला वाला is still.
Second वाला तो doesn't deserve any. Second वाला
It
doesn't
doesn't-
deserve anything.
nothing it deserves not even death
I think it's
I'll
films
join
like,
it.
films like Lal Kaptan, Son Chidiya, Madhukar नहीं होता that people should go watch in theaters, and that is the only way like they can defeat nepotism. They cannot do that by boycotting Bollywood, which is a ridiculous thing to say. You'll bash Mr. Karan Johar all you want, but you'll go back and watch Kuch Kuch Hota Hai on TV
Yep.
and upload stories also. So it does not make any sense. Like you are just generalizing it a lot. Because not everyone is. I keep getting back to this topic. I really am frustrated about this. Well, hello, sir. Welcome back.
what's up
Welcome back, Pal. We
on
discussed about how you were an absolute useless piece of shit.
अरे I know रे I know no need to tell me I know एकदम deeply I know
Nice.
What is your favorite film of all time, Sunanda?
Mine, Ocean's 13. I
Why
have
13?
advocated Ocean's 13 since probably 16 of my 18 years on this earth, and people always ask me why not 11, and then I'm just like, well, why not 13? It's cooler. Have you seen? It has a scene in the movie where it's the same frame being shown on 6 different frames. You're showing the same thing 6 times. How cool can you get? उतना और इतना कूल म्यूजिक और एक ऐसा कूल कास्ट कौन से फिल्म में मिलेगा तुम्हें?
Happy New Year. The Indian Ocean's 13.
Oh God. छी यार.
Players.
The resemblance of the plot is so uncanny. Like what? It's exactly the same, but like cooler people,
Yeah.
cooler directors.
Twitch. तेरा तो फेवरेट मूवी पता है?
नहीं और
Godfather.
नहीं इसको और बताना है.
my favorite.
अच्छा नहीं तेरे ओके बोल
नहीं तू बोल.
यशो का बोलो.
नहीं बोल नहीं बोलना
तू बोल.
मेरे तो ऑल टाइम फेवरेट है
Rich Kulkarni K021.
K021.
First is Pulp Fiction. I don't know why it's my favorite. It's just there. I see Pulp Fiction and I'm happy. Always. And then there's Inglourious Bastards. And then there's
That's
Two
a great
Pigs,
movie. I love that movie.
Full Metal Jacket.
How can you not remember?
Pineapple Express. Pineapple Express is really nice movie.
I need to see Pineapple Express sooner or later again. But
Again,
that
साथ में सब देखेंगे.
we saw two films together, Project X and Pineapple Express.
Correct.
Pineapple Express. PXPX.
PX.
XX.
Wow. Coincidence? I think not.
No.
Humor.
Humor
Humor
one
one.
over.
You by Rich Kulkarni.
Humor one
Yeah.
over.
Millennial humor.
Humor Kulkarni.
Humor करनी.
This is quality content, guys.
R.I.P. guys.
F in the chat.
Press F for respects.
So,
Ah.
my
Oh yes. What about?
Godfather, everyone knows that. But there are a lot of films of this sector, like I mentioned, Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels,
Yeah.
Snatch, and The Big Lebowski, Three Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. All these films. What was that Coen Brothers film, Sunandan? George Clooney, Brad Pitt. Fun After Reading.
Fun After Reading.
Fun After
I
Reading.
love that.
Like all these films are such good films. Even Seven Psychopaths or In Bruges, like such funny films. Like, and I don't think like comedy is about being very loud, and like you don't have to be able to crack a joke to make anyone laugh. It's just that the things you do or the scenarios make
Your
you
subtle expressions could also make it really funny.
Have you guys seen Due
I'm
Date?
just laughing because Burn After Reading has the craziest plot in the world, and it still makes so much sense.
I can give me spoilers.
Okay, I need to know your views on Life of Pi. I don't know why, but I just need to. Because that movie is something that has really, stuck with me. I won't say it's my favorite film, but there's that one film or this one song or whatever that's just there with you. Like you won't forget it. And I don't know why, but Life of Pi is that for me, and I don't know, but I need to know what you guys think about that movie, because I don't see like that movie get enough appreciation, like the amount of appreciation it should be getting.
Life of Pi. When I
liking it.
तब also I realized कि it's not a film, it's an experience, man. I saw it in IMAX 3D, and that was an experience. The sounds of that tiger
Yeah.
were so real. The tiger was so real.
Life of Pi had amazing visual effects, and that
Yeah,
is the main reason I really respect that movie. Because
Amazing.
it had amazing visual effects.
There was just something else, and there was this part of an island जहाँ पे बहुत सारे meerkats थे. वो पेड़ पे सो
Oh yes, that one.
something
That
poison or something. What was that? That was just
see the best part about that island wala what do we call it? The island wala scene is not really a scene, but the island wala part, the best, like the thing I remember the most is like I was so engrossed into the movie.
yeah.
Okay, the part where he gets off the island, like gets off the boat and gets onto the island. So he tries eating the grass and shit, and I don't know why, but when he ate it, I felt that sort of relief. कि हाँ भाई चलो कुछ खाने मिला.
Yeah.
It was really amazing.
Beautiful movie. It's like too beautiful to watch.
Life of Pi is like it's a whole experience.
Yeah.
Like the colors and the lights,
What did I
like
say?
the sound design. It's you have to experience it in the theaters to really get it.
And like also talking about the amount of effort it takes as an actor to do a film of that sort, because you have to imagine everything. You don't have a tiger in front of you. There's going to be a different sense of smell you will have. There will be a different sort of fear you will have. You have to imagine that amount of fear. So it's also a very difficult film to make. And filmmakers are really willing to go to that extent to make those films. I personally don't like Christopher Nolan. A lot of you know that. But I actually enjoyed watching the Tenet's trailer.
Yeah.
Also, I just came across the fact that Christopher Nolan, it took like how many 100 hours to render one frame of that black hole.
Yeah.
So Interstellar, yes. So that's amazing. Like the amount, even that gravity fact. Gravity took 900 crores to make. People are willing to go to that extent for making their film successful.
Christopher Nolan, I mean Dunkirk also, it was like he needs to go on to the Dunkirk show. उस shore पे shooting हुई है पूरी. Like he's like total dedication. He didn't want to use props of ships and all. He used real.
Yeah, he is super into the like practical aspect.
Yeah.
Because like having practical effects gives your actors and the people who are going to be viewing it that much more realism, because like okay, this thing actually happened, what I'm seeing, and that gives a whole different effect to you when you're watching a movie as well. Which is why I feel nowadays we become so desensitized to CGI that we actually need some sort of like a pullback to practical effects, because otherwise we will just like the experience of watching a movie and being amazed by something that's happening on screen, that's going to go away otherwise. So I think David Fincher does this really well, because he uses practical effects and CGI really well to support the story. Have you guys seen Escape Room?
Escape what?
Escape Room.
No.
Escape Plan is the Sylvester Stallone film. No?
Yeah, Escape Plan is a different.
Yeah, not that. Escape Room is a movie he made, and so the entire intro of that movie. So the plot is that there's these people who are trying to enter a house and rob the place or take the people hostage, and there's an escape room in that house. Yeah. So the whole intro is like while the credits are rolling, it's a single shot, and it goes from the outside of the house to every room as the people outside are trying to find a way in. And that being in one shot, you get a really good sense of the space. But the fact is that was not a one-er. It was done through CGI. It was stitched together, and actual aspects of like real aspects, like things like, so like there's a part where the camera goes through a coffee mug, the holder, that little thing. It goes through that. So you actually feel like, okay, wow, we're looking at something small and there's something big outside coming to get us, and like that's scary. So that thing also invokes a different feeling in the viewer, and that's important, I think.
Yeah, you actually recommended Fincher's Zodiac to me. I really
Zodiac
enjoyed
was
that
very
film. Like you're making a factually correct film, and still you are like giving your thrill to it. And Fincher is one of the best thriller makers, like Fight Club.
Yeah.
Fight Club is also an experience.
I swear.
Best thing about Fight Club is
No spoilers.
the glimpses of Tyler Durden. Just one frame. Just one frame is
Exactly,
made.
yeah.
And at the last, he just puts out the last frame when the movie ends.
Don't talk about it. No spoilers.
मैंने देखी नहीं है, please do not spoil.
Social
This is not
Network,
a spoiler.
Zodiac, Fight Club. These are all good films. Fincher is a very amazing director.
He's done Mindhunter as well, which is
That was so well thought. Just one frame of Tyler Durden in every 10 to 15 minutes before introducing.
Yeah. And it's such a crazy story. Fight Club has such a crazy story, but
Yeah.
it's still like it's planned out well. The movie
very
from the book, it's planned out really well.
I have to say, Wolf of Wall Street, dude.
Yeah, guy. I was about to say the same.
Wolf of the Wall Street. Yes.
Wolf of Wall Street, dude, because the what do you call that? Extrinsic. क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार? Being eccentric, like he portrayed it so well, and like you can see the contrast between him being a normal guy to him being a cocaine head, and it's so amazing.
Yeah.
And it's so smooth, like you don't realize when that happened.
Without being in the music.
Like you're like, okay, nice, thank you, Mr. Dwij Kulkarni.
बोल.
But yes, yeah. Just that the Wolf of Wall Street में ना वो बंदे की ना मेहनत दिख भी रही है और नहीं भी दिख रही है. It's like this weird space he is in.
Yeah, it's all about conviction, man. He was convinced that he is Jordan Belfort, and he'll do it.
Yeah, and also
that scene, the car when he's on Quaaludes, when he enters the car.
Yeah,
that scene. Such conviction, man. Such conviction.
Also, I like Mr. What was that? Django Unchained.
Yeah.
उस फिल्म का नाम क्या था?
Candy.
हाँ, Monsieur Candy.
Monsieur Candy.
That was also very good. And Leo की Shutter Island also.
Shutter Island.
I really like Catch Me If You Can.
Every film with
Catch Me If You Can is very good.
Every film with Martin Scorsese and Leonardo DiCaprio is good. Like every film with Martin Scorsese and Robert De Niro is good. Like The Aviator is a really good
Like
film.
Scorsese is good.
Scorsese is good, Leo is good. What is you?
Correct.
What is Quentin Tarantino's worst film?
I haven't seen, so I can't.
अभी तो
Of the ones I've seen, wait, no, he didn't.
you've seen
He
Reservoir
do
Dogs?
Natural Born Killers.
Yeah, I haven't seen that, and I haven't
He
seen
didn't
it.
know
He
that.
wrote that, right? He wrote
I
that.
mean,
or
yes,
something.
Natural Born Killers. He wrote that.
Yeah, he wrote that. Okay. I mean, I can't. I like all of them.
I can't, yeah.
Jackie Brown.
I
Easy.
haven't seen Jackie Brown though.
Jackie Brown. Is
That's not that
it was
good.
the Hateful Eight, but Hateful Eight is a
still
really good film.
It was not that good, but
I
it was
like
good.
it. It's not Pulp Fiction good, but it's good.
Pulp Fiction good to the Pulp Fiction good. And Glorious Bastards.
And every one of these directors like have a vibe attached to them. Like David Fincher's dark tones, warm tones.
Yeah, super broody.
Social Network and Zodiac. They both have the almost same color grade. And then Fight Club is like the bluish tint in it, still dark.
Saturated, yeah.
Yeah, it's like your background, right? So, and like Spielberg makes amazing films, but so diverse he is as a director. He can make a Schindler's List and he can make a Jurassic Park.
Exactly.
Jurassic Park, man. That series is just. क्या बोले? It's just
Also,
the same
can
mistakes.
we just talk about Jurassic?
Shelby's there.
Jurassic series
Peter Campbell is
is just the same story 6 times.
Exactly, it's the same thing
Yeah.
over and over again. कुछ तो बदलो यार.
It's like
But
Hangover.
I mean, what
Hangover
else
is
can
about
you change? Like, obviously, if there are dinosaurs coming, the only possible interesting thing is if the dinosaurs try to eat you. And like that is, they're milking that concept, which is good on their part.
Milking that concept.
Right.
Why did you emphasize on that?
It is funny, like, good to hear that.
Milking. Or anything.
No.
The concept they're milking, not the dinosaurs. So they shut up.
No.
Imagine you milking a T-Rex, I mean. What the fuck? You cannot even reach
He won't
those
stop
ants.
you. His hands are too small.
I don't know. So
Yeah.
I don't know why. A random thought. I have never seen like any sort of I was about to say equipment, but any sort of vyavastha on a T-Rex. Oh wait, T-Rex is not a mammal. T-Rex is not a mammal.
It's a
You can't milk a reptile, guys.
Yeah.
You can't milk a reptile.
T-Rex is a mammal, I guess.
Of course. The
No,
dinosaur.
Are you
T-Rex is a
crazy?
reptile. Dinosaurs are...
Reptile.
Hey, the engineering कर रहा है ना, शर्म नहीं तेरे को?
But elements of biology, में sooner or later this will come in the syllabus.
Exactly. No, ये
Engineers
बोलेगा.
have to know everything, okay? तेरे को टैक्स करना आना चाहिए, तेरे को गाना बजाना आना चाहिए, बायोलॉजी आना चाहिए, फिजिक्स भी आना चाहिए,
Mimicry आनी चाहिए.
Biology, guys.
बस सक्सेस नहीं आना चाहिए. अरे तो Hanuman was with his friends, okay, on a road trip, and he
Okay.
was just he drank a lot of water, and they were on the highway, so like they couldn't stop for him to pee. So he really wanted to pee. तो जाने जगह नहीं क्या करे, तो उसने सुसु कर दिया यार, पैंट में कर दिया. गाड़ी was Maruti Suzuki.
प्रभु.
But I think ये जो comedy लोग तुम लोग कर रहा है ना,
बहुत हो गया.
गया तो फिर मेरे जो
अब नहीं चलेगा.
फैंस मिलेंगे सब नहीं
अब
आएंगे.
नहीं चलेगा.
वही
Maruti Suzuki.
Which
crazy.
what was that joke?
Crazy
Nandan,
dad.
What?
the fishing one.
I don't remember.
don't. Just don't, man. That joke.
Man
Please,
goes,
no.
for, man goes for fishing, he makes a circle.
Oh, acha, yes. Okay, so yeah, so like this is older times ki baat. So, like there was this man. Okay, he was hungry, so he wanted to fish. So he went out on the. It was a cold place. He went out on the ice and like he wanted to do ice fishing. So for that you have to cut out the ice in a circle, right? So he just starts cutting the ice and in the circle. पीछे से एकदम जोर से आवाज आता है. There are no fish under the ice. And he's like, "Whoa, what was that?" Okay, I mean, stay calm. So he just says, "Okay, I'll go ahead." So he moves thoda सामने, and again he starts cutting the ice because he's hungry. He needs the fish.
Yeah.
So he starts cutting the ice, and वापस आवाज आता है. There are no fish under the ice. And he's scared now. Okay, he's just like he doesn't know what to do. He's like, "God, is that you?" And then the voice comes back saying, "No, this is the ice rink manager."
This is in the warmest coat, but I look nice. He's dead there. I guess he died out of cold. Yeah, but he looks fine. I'll paste.
I don't understand, but okay.
I'll paste that.
What was the? Yeah. What was the? There was that one comic with the bird, right? Life is like a flower. It's very soft and like it's very fragile or something. And then he tries to take the petal out and he can't. And then the last frame is just a close up of his eyes being angry.
Yeah. Emotional bird that was.
Yeah. How does he get emotion from a bird? It's amazing.
These comic jokes are actually really funny. I like them.
Did you remember to bring the milk? Milk? Milk.
What are you talking about?
He forgot the concept of milk.
I laugh about that. Like every 2-3 months, I'll just remember it and just laugh.
The best part is that Sunandan is lactose intolerant. So
Only slightly though. I just fart.
very nice details. Thank you.
No, we did very actual, like very important social commentary also, as we should be doing as 18-year-old people whose opinions don't matter.
Yes.
Yes, we should start talking about all liberal stuff and we'll get all the audience.
Yeah.
सब हम लोग को मिल जाएंगे.
What is liberal? Liberal is just
See,
like
liberal का
wanting
meaning ना.
Like everybody wants things. That's like saying
Exactly.
you want equality. I'm a liberal. No, everybody wants equality. You're not liberal because you want equality. That's stupid. What's wrong with you?
Exactly. So we should just like as a random ना, which to as a randomly ना, just put in like very vaguely liberal or leftist stuff. ठीक है, तेरे को पूरा भारत का जो ये यूथ है ना, सब आ जाएगा तेरे पास.
Atisa youth meaning people who have access to Instagram and news of beyond India, because only people who are liberal, they only care about things that are happening outside India.
Not outside.
Yes.
Not what's
in
happening in
the
our own
US.
country. Yeah, in the US specifically.
Outside
in
of
the
India
US.
means US. Europe तो
abroad मतलब क्या? US only ना.
Europe
कोई जाता है, मैं आउट ऑफ इंडिया जा रहा हूँ तो पूछते हो लोग, अच्छा यूएस से कौन से स्टेट में जा रहे हो, न्यूयॉर्क जा रहे हो, कहाँ जा रहे हो?
वो श्रीलंका जा रहा है. उसको सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
Wait, what is that from?
गोलमाल 3 वसूली भाई,
जल्दी कर यार.
जल्दी बोल, सुबह पनवेल के लिए निकलना है.
गोलमाल is also funny.
Golmaal was funny. I to agree.
Golmaal and Golmaal 3 were good, and Golmaal 2 was okay in my opinion.
Golmaal 2 was just
Golmaal 2 was
Golmaal?
what?
bad, man.
What is the fourth one called? Golmaal again or something?
Golmaal again.
वो
Golmaal
भी ठीक
again.
था.
Golmaal. Second one was Golmaal Returns.
I don't think.
Third one was Golmaal 3.
Golmaal 3.
Fourth one was Golmaal. Golmaal 3 is
and
fun.
1 I liked.
Yeah.
Golmaal 1 and 3 were good. They were nice.
For me,
and
it is
dumb and I
1342. 1342 is the order of Golmaal.
I'm seeing fourth.
1-3. अच्छा.
Fourth is 1342.
I
Chronologically.
would agree, I think.
रन देखिए
I agree.
कितने रन.
Run. वो कौवा. I've just seen the कौवा बिरयानी वाला clip यार. It's so funny. That and the छोटी गंगा बोल के गटर में डुबा दिया.
पूरा नहीं देखा.
छोटी गंगा.
Honeymoon to Goa, something like that.
There was
There
one
was a
honeymoon
movie
travels
called
and there
Honeymoon
was.
Travels, which was
Yes,
hilarious.
yes.
I
They
remember.
go to
Honeymoon
Goa in that
It
film.
had that.
Ah,
It had
yes.
that. It had that amazing song.
Ah.
It's from that
It
film.
was my.
ये वो था ना,
Yeah.
रणवीर something. No, sorry.
KK Menon.
उसका नाम क्या है?
KK Menon.
उसका नाम क्या है? No. From Honeymoon Travels.
Rajat Singh.
हाँ, something R से कुछ है.
Rajat Kapoor.
हाँ,
Rajat Kapoor.
Yeah.
Rajat Kapoor.
Rajat
उसका
Kapoor.
एक और अभी आ रहा है ना. There is some new movie, I think it's
Rajat
called.
Kapoor is so good.
It's like a
man.
black comedy. It's like a black comedy, and like they kill
Yeah,
somebody
yeah,
and then there's a
yeah,
house
yeah.
party. I want to watch that.
I want to watch
sounds
that.
hilarious.
It's on Sony Live.
Yeah.
It has Ranveer.
What's the
Singh.
movie's name?
Hilarious.
It's not. It's a
Huh?
series. Like no, it's a movie. It's a
आया नहीं
dark
अभी तक. I don't
comedy.
think आया है.
The trailer goes something like this कि तेरे घर पे लाश पड़ी, तूने हमें खाने पे क्यों बुलाया? अरे तो मटन
हाँ,
बहुत
वो-
पड़ा था.
हाँ. This is hilarious.
It's in the trailer, man. How would I not want to watch it?
Man.
Dude, Ranveer Shori is a good guy. I like Ranveer Shori a lot.
Hasmukh.
I haven't seen Hasmukh. I want to.
नहीं
It's the Netflix Veerdas wala series, right?
Yeah, it's a good.
Ranveer Shori is also in Sonchidi.
Yeah,
been
Sonchidi.
Yeah, he's in so.
Singh
Also
is king
in that
also.
He's in Sing.
Khosla में Khosla.
He's in Chandni Chowk to China, man. That
Yeah.
movie.
Yeah. Chandni Chowk to China.
I think like
I used to be scared of Chandni Chowk to China.
if you're talking
Why?
about underrated
That's
stuff
weird
and
looking.
underrated artists, let's talk about Abhay Deol.
Yeah.
Oh,
He's
yes.
good, man.
Such a good actor.
He's
Yes.
a good actor.
And why did he not? And he's also a star kid. Why did he not get the same recognition? Why don't we?
Whose son is he?
Dharmin.
Abhay Deol किसका son है? I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
यशोवर्धन का son है.
Dharmen.
हाँ?
Yes.
हैं?
पागल?
Yeah, from
No.
Thanos.
भी?
Yeah. मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ.
Are you serious? Oh, damn.
I'll check.
I thought Dharmendra had only two sons, man. Sunny and Bobby. Like, like if धर्मेंद्र का बेटा होता तो I would have
सनी
you know कुछ अलग
No, Bisha, he's not.
कुछ अलग नाम सोचा होता मैंने.
अबे
सनी बॉबी अब
नॉर्मल कैसे
नहीं,
वही
नॉर्मल कैसे बन गया? He doesn't
वही.
look.
He is Usha
You have
Deol.
to be a certain kind of
Usha Deol's son,
to be Dharmendra's son.
not Dharmendra.
whose son?
Usha Deol.
I don't know who Usha Deol is. I just said.
I bet धर्मेंद्र का ही कुछ तो रिलेशन है.
रिलेशन तो है मेरे को पता है, बट
नहीं है यार.
कहाँ से नहीं पता.
Guys, very off topic thing.
He is the nephew.
relation.
Nephew of Dharmendra.
Audience.
Thank you guys.
Enough.
Thank you guys. Love
Yes,
and
they're
respect.
lucky enough to be in library.
We are
Please,
the only people at least.
please listen to
Thank
us.
you guys for coming. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thanks
really
for talking your
appreciate your
wisdoms
time.
out, your brains out. Really appreciate it. You guys alone acknowledges your presence.
Yeah. Very much.
Okay then. See you guys.
चलो फिर.
Thanks, guys.
कल मिलते हैं फिर से.
Yes. चलो bye.
जय माता दी.
Bye.
सत्यमेव जयते दोस्तों.
सत्यमेव जयते.
नहीं, जय माता दी, let's rock.
नहीं, जय.
जय माता दी.
ज्यादा दी let's rock.
Bye.